When deciding whether to rent or buy a home, there is no one-size-fits-all answer. Your choice depends on multiple factors, including your financial situation, lifestyle, long-term goals, and the real estate market in your area. While buying a home is often seen as the ultimate financial goal, renting can sometimes be the smarter option depending on your circumstances. Understanding the pros and cons of each choice can help you make an informed decision that aligns with your financial freedom journey. Before we continue, I wish to let you know that we have links to our best curated financial freedom resources in the description and the first comment below. You can check them out after watching this video. Now, to the topic of our video, renting versus buying. Owning a home comes with several financial benefits. One of the biggest advantages is building equity. Every mortgage payment you make contributes to your ownership stake in the property, unlike rent payments, which do not create any financial return. Over time, as you pay down your mortgage and home values increase, you build wealth that can be used for future investments, retirement, or even purchasing another property. Additionally, homeownership offers potential tax benefits. Mortgage interest and property tax deductions can lower your taxable income, which can save you money each year. However, these tax advantages depend on your location and whether you choose to itemize deductions. Another key benefit of buying a home is price stability. When you have a fixed-rate mortgage, your monthly payments remain consistent, unlike rent, which can increase over time. Homeownership also gives you the freedom to personalize your living space without needing approval from a landlord. Whether you want to renovate the kitchen, plant a garden, or add an extra bedroom, you have full control over your property. Additionally, homes in desirable areas tend to appreciate in value, meaning you could sell your home for a profit in the future. However, homeownership comes with significant responsibilities and financial commitments. A down payment is one of the biggest hurdles to buying a home. While some loan programs allow for lower down payments, many conventional loans require 20% down, which can be a large amount of money. On top of that, closing costs, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and maintenance expenses add to the overall cost of ownership. Unlike renting, where the landlord is responsible for repairs, homeowners must cover the costs of fixing leaky roofs, broken water heaters, or plumbing issues. Unexpected repairs can quickly add up, making it essential to have an emergency fund. Renting, on the other hand, provides flexibility and lower upfront costs. When you rent, you don't need a large down payment or worry about property taxes and maintenance expenses. Your monthly rent payment is often predictable, and you don't have to handle repairs or maintenance. This can be a significant advantage if you have a variable income, are building your savings, or are unsure about where you want to settle long-term. Renting is especially beneficial if you plan to move frequently for work or lifestyle reasons. It allows you to relocate without the hassle of selling a home and dealing with real estate transactions. Another advantage of renting is that it frees up capital for other investments. Instead of tying up your savings in a home, you can invest in stocks, bonds, or other assets that may offer higher returns. Depending on the real estate market, renting may also be more affordable than buying. In some cities, home prices are so high that mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance costs far exceed the cost of renting a comparable property. By renting, you can avoid the financial burden of a mortgage while keeping your savings liquid. However, renting also has its downsides. Rent payments do not build equity, meaning you are not investing in an asset that grows in value over time. Additionally, landlords can raise rent, sell the property, or choose not to renew your lease, which can create housing instability. Renters also have limited control over their living space. You may not be allowed to paint walls, make upgrades, or even own pets without landlord approval. Unlike homeownership, where your payments contribute to an investment, renting is an ongoing expense without financial returns. To decide whether renting or buying is right for you, consider your financial goals and lifestyle. If you value stability, want to build equity, and can afford the costs of homeownership, buying may be the best choice. However, if you need flexibility, are focusing on growing your savings, or live in an expensive real estate market, renting might be the smarter option. A good rule of thumb is to compare the price-to-rent ratio in your area. If home prices are extremely high relative to rent, it may be more cost-effective to rent. If mortgage payments are similar to or lower than rent, and you plan to stay in one place for a long time, buying could be a wise investment. Additionally, consider the opportunity cost of home ownership. If putting money into a down payment prevents you from investing in other assets, you may want to rent while growing your wealth in other ways. Financial preparedness is key to making the right decision. If you are considering buying a home, assess your savings, credit score, and overall financial health. You should have a stable income, an emergency fund, and a solid debt-to-income ratio before committing to a mortgage. If you are unsure about where your career or life will take you in the next few years, renting may be the better choice until you have more clarity. Ultimately, there is no universal right or wrong answer when it comes to renting versus buying. Your decision should be based on your personal financial situation, long-term goals, and the market conditions in your area. By evaluating the costs, benefits, and trade-offs of each option, you can make a choice that aligns with your path to financial freedom. Always remember that financial freedom is the ability to live life without financial stress, where money is a tool to support your dreams rather than a constant worry. It means having enough savings, investments, and passive income to cover your needs, giving you the freedom to choose how you spend your time. Achieving financial freedom isn't about luck. It's about smart planning, disciplined saving, and strategic investing. It requires eliminating debt, building multiple income streams, and making wise financial decisions that align with your long-term goals. While the journey takes time and effort, the rewards are priceless. Peace of mind, security, and the ability to enjoy life without limitations. No matter where you start, every small step moves you closer to a future of independence and abundance. Take control today and begin your journey toward true financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. And subscribe to this channel to continue learning your way to financial freedom. You can also check the description or the first comment below for links to our best curated financial freedom resources. See you in our other videos.